This video will discuss default feature strategies. When you extract machinable features, strategies are automatically selected. For this rectangular pocket feature, the strategy is 2 roughing operations and 1 finishing operation. You can leave it like that and continue generating the operation plan and the toolpath, but if it doesn't need 2 roughing operations, you'll end up with an operation that doesn't do anything. We could change the strategy to 1 rough and 1 finish. When we regenerate the operation plan and the toolpath, we'll get what we want. But we don't want to have to do that every time. Every feature has a default strategy, and we can change that in the technology database. Default feature strategies. Here are all the features and their default strategies. Here's the rectangular pocket. If we change it here to rough finish and save it, that will be the default strategy moving forward. Thank you.